Hey everyone, want to create a catchy video ads that will grab attention without needing to be a pro? Let me show you how easy it is to design awesome video ads on Canva. No stress, just a few clicks and your brand new ad is ready to go. So hello guys and welcome back in another video where I will show you step by step how to create a video ads with canva.com. So the first step that you have to do is open your browser and dive into canva.com. This is the homepage as you can see. Firstly, let's know what is Canva. Canva is an easy to use online design tool that helps you create stunning video ads, social media posts, and more. Even if you have no design experience, with tons of templates, animations, and simple editing features, you can quickly bring your creative ideas to life. Perfect for making ads that stand out. Alright, so all I have to do right now is just come back to the top right and you click over sign up to get started. You have just to click over apply now and you have to link your personal information such as email address and your password. Then you get started with this platform as you can see. Alright, so I don't have here the sign up because I already have an account. This is my account as you can see. We have the home page. I will click over it and then you will find other page, but you have just you to write your email address and your password after clicking over sign up and you'll find this page as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just click over here in the top left and create a design. You click over video here and you start creating a design, or you can just here click over search and you search for the specific one that you want. For example, if you search for Reels, Instagram for example, then you click over enter and you'll find here this one as you can see, these templates. Let's just select an Instagram like that and here we have it right now. We have our various templates. I will just click over see all to see all these templates. Let's just choose one of this. So for example, we have this one or this one. You have to choose the one you want. Here we have 12, 60, 47 as you can see. Alright, so you have just right now to click over all filters and just look at the category that you want, because we have here several templates and we have the pro one and the free one. I will only here select the free one and also other things. For example, if it's related to social media, and I will select here Instagram Reels, and we have here business, if it's documents, presentations, whiteboards, and other things. Then we have here if it's related to the education, video, marketing, print products, cards, invitations. You have to choose here the niche the specific one to find it easy. So also we have here the style, the theme, we have language, feature, grade, subject, the topic, then we have the price. I will select the free one here. About the color, I will select the white one, then I will click over apply as you can see. Then you will find these templates. Alright. Alright, so right now all I have to do is just here come back after choosing your templates, or you can just here come back to the home and you select here the videos for example, then you select the first one and you'll find other page which is this one as you can see. So right now all I have to do is just design your template as you can see. Alright, so let's choose firstly the template. We have here choose basketball as you can see, and let's choose for example the first one and let's get started and design the template. I will choose this one because it's very good and I think it's more better as you can see. So right now I will just here delete some things such as welcome here to basketball. I will delete all these things and I will just keep this one and I'll put it in the middle like that. Then I will here put it like that as you can see. Alright, and then I will also modify the size like that, and then I'll put it in the middle. I think it's better like that. So let's just give it a try. Here we have it. Right now I will just add a text and I will add a heading. Then I will just here modify the size and put it 2300, sorry. So here we have it. We have 161 and here we have 200. All right, so I will just add here basketball shoes, all shoes like that. They'll put it in the middle. Here we have it as you can see. So I will add also here this one like that. And then if you want to add, for example, music, or add something else, if you want to also modify this one, and also we have, if you want to add a comment, if you want to make it lock, if you want to make it also duplicate, if you want to hit delete, also we have more options such as copy style, paste, duplicate, delete, and layer. We have it show element timing. For example, here we have this element timing. You can here delete, and also here we have how it looks. As you can see, you can just add here a music or your voiceover. I will show you how you can do that. You can just here go to uploads, and then you have to select record yourself, then you have to allow like that, and then you will find this. You have to click over here to record, you have to delete the camera like that, and you click over recording, you have it 3 2 1, and you start recording. So here we have it. Once you're done, you click over here and you click over exit studio. If you want to save, you click over here in the top right, and you will click over exit without saving. Right, so if you want to add here audio or music, you can just click over audio. I will just search for music like that. I will click over the option of music, and here we have it right now. And also we have other things here such as application. You have to scroll down if you need other thing. For example, if we scroll down, find here charts, photos, we'll create data mode file, audio. We have here background, videos, translate, magic media, and captions. And right now I will just go to the uploads, then I will add firstly one other page, then I will here select my product. So like we have it right now, and here we have how it looks. As you can see, we'll just modify the size. What do you think? Is it better? I think it's better. So I like Kyrie Irving and basketball in general, that's why. So sorry, I will just click over here to come back because I did a mistake. And here we have it how it looks right now. Modify also the size like that to put it clear. Here we have it right now, and here we have it. I will click over here to see our template how it looks. Right, so here we have it. Right now all I have to do is just click over share in the top right, and you click over copy the link, or you can just make it anyone can access the design using this link. No sign in required. And also here we have other options such as download, public view link. When a present, also we have SEO. We have public view link, present, template link, present a record, copy to clipboard, save to folder, send to phone, embed, and website as well. So that's it, how it works. You can just get started right now, and it's very easy to use Canva. So Canva makes creating video ads quickly and easy with its user-friendly tools and templates. It's perfect for businesses looking to design professional content without the complexity. Bring your ideas to life and capture attention in just a few clicks. So this is it for this video, guys. I hope it has been useful and helpful, and see you again in the next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section below. I will be happy to help you guys. Have a fantastic day ahead.